Is your phone's battery icon too small to see? What if I told you you can make it bigger along with your Wi-Fi signal bars and even the clock? Here's how to enlarge those tiny status icons in seconds without any third-party apps. So let's get started. First, open Setting on your phone. Then scroll down. Then tap on About Phone. And here tap on Software Information. Then tap on Build number 7 time. Then back to Setting. Scroll all the way down in Settings and boom, you'll see Developer Options is now turned on. Then tap on Developer Options. Then scroll down and find Minimum Width. Then tap on Minimum Width. Set a lower number here and boom, all the icons on top like battery, network, Wi-Fi, they get bigger, but if you go higher, everything shrinks down. And that's how you can easily resize the top icons on your phone. No root, no extra apps. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.